talked earlier and you posed a rhetorical question. Is art only a technique? So can you sort of answer that again?
Art is not only a technique, obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously. But I don't think it's like so obvious that it's not a technique that I don't even know where to start sometimes, because you have um, you know there's a myth that you only do canvas or you do watercolor or you do drawing,
Yeah.
right? Like Martin Creed, for example, the British artist, he just has a light switch. It says on and off. You just turn it on and turn it off. He won the Turner Prize. Long story, but you need an entire infrastructure. You need entire institutional support. You need an entire population to
Yeah.
slowly refine itself to come to a point where that can be art.
Right.
Conversation of whether it is a technique is, and whoever asks that, sorry, I got a message. Whoever asks, uh, I sometimes feel like upfront, without caring about how I hurt people's emotions or whatever, I'll say that, you're so down in the rank of understanding or experiencing art when you ask questions like, is it a technique? Or
Yeah.
I've had many people ask me this question, and I get really upset. I get upset with a smile though, but I get upset that they're asking this, because they're asking the question because we come from India.
Yeah.
Okay. I i'm i have traveled this country and I have had such an insane experience with classical arts in India.
Yeah.
But people don't understand the context of it, because Europe is India is very fragmented. Everything is in different
Yeah.
languages. Ideas are not exchanged properly. We have this one
Correct.
idea of, I need English to explain it to many people, but then only 5% people can understand it.
Yeah.
All the research is being done only in English. I'm not saying only, but like most of it, and like at least what's being put out, the interest levels are dropping. So in a way, like people think, and so what the residue of what remains
Right.
out of all this intellectual matter is that, oh yeah, if you practice hard enough you can become an artist. So you have,
Yeah.
on our art history page we have people send us Shah Rukh Khan's charcoal drawings,
Yeah.
and they're like, can you feature me on art? Right. I wish I had like the option of making the font very big and red color
Yeah.
and saying no. And but then having that conversation with them is such a long conversation. And even these 20 minutes or these 30 minutes, this kind of conversation, it would need a podcast with someone who I can basically outsource as my anger, as out who I can have a chat with, to basically like where someone like you might voyeuristically hear us both bickering about this point, so that where you're like,
Yeah.
okay, okay, that's
That's what the real.
that's what they really mean. It's like, it's not something that I could
Yeah.
actually pronounce. It's like,
Okay.
I feel like saying it out there is, it
Yeah.
can really hurt somebody's,
Right. Right.
because
No,
it's
you
too
know,
much. It's like asking somebody to be a good poet. Do you only need good handwriting or font? It's like that. It's like,
right.
it's asking about whether the final technique of doing calligraphy has an impact on how to think as a poet.
Yeah.
It has
Yeah.
nothing to
Absolutely.
do. The poem could be written on a toilet paper in the bathroom with pencil, or it could be written, on frosted glass, and you could just have a thought. The poem still existed. It was released from the mind into the physical world. Now, whether you want to do calligraphy out of it, or whether you want to use X font or Y font, that's the technique, and that's something
Yeah.
that, no, that is something that doesn't make the artwork. That's
Yeah.
something
It
that,
is a component, though. It is a small component, maybe, but it is a component. But it's not. It's not it
yeah, yeah.
entirely
It's
by
like,
itself.
can you hear me? Yeah, yeah.
You're back.
It's
Yeah.
like learning. It's like learning MS Word completely and then saying, okay, now I'm a writer. No,
Yeah. Very good analogy.
you just learned the technique of how to use a software or how to write to interact with
Yeah.
the medium, but you
Yeah.
don't know how to write a novel. You don't know how to write poetry.
Right.
So you don't call yourself a writer.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Absolutely.
Yeah.